So hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm so happy because I'm in very topmost auspicious place known as Sakhibota in Kendrapara. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's go to inside. Wow, very nice trees. Wow, beautiful place. Very nice. Very calm and quiet place also. Really fantastic. Wow. Really natural. So many trees are there. So many different kind of trees are there also. Okay, let's go to Darshan. Okay. Basically there is three temples are there, and this temple is known as Radhakrishna temple. Okay, let's see the temple on different angles. Wow. It's a really beautiful place. Very calm and quiet place also. And this place is known as the flower garden of deities. Okay, let's go to see another temple and another deities known as Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. Okay, so this temple is offered to Lord Jagannath ji and Balabhadra ji and Subhadra Maiya ji. Very nice. Wow. Very nice. Okay. Go to another side. Wow. The temple is just like a Vedic planet here. Glorious. Okay. Go to another temple. So This is the main temple of Sakyavata, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Baldev. Very nice temple. Okay, go to different side of the temple. Yeah. This is the another side of temple, and looking very gorgeous also. Gorgeous and glorious. Very nice. And just look the atmosphere here. The atmosphere of the place is very glorious and looking shimmering. Wow. And there are so many temples. Temples are there, and also trees. So many trees are there. So many different types of trees are there, and this is the real beauty of the place. And here you just feel the nature, feel the mother nature. Okay guys, this is not the end, just the beginning.